Hanging out behind the club on the weekend, acting stupid, getting drunk with my best friends. Heard away for the summer and a warped tour. I remember it's the first time that I saw her there. She's getting kicked out of school cause she's failing. Tired of us cause they think I'll overtake me. She's the one she always needed. Took my hand and admitted I swear because I fell in love with the girl at the rock show. She said whoa, I told her that I didn't know. She's so cool, when I stick into the window. Everything's better when she's around. Came into a brand new out of town. Fell in love with the girl at the rock show.
Para aquí a la izquierda, ¿no?
When we sat there, we thought I moved to Vegas. I remember the look her mother gave us. 17 without a purpose or direction. No one, I fucking explanation.
Te grabamos. Barra fatal.